Hey guys, this is your chef Akhilesh Bavaskar. Today let's see how you make Burmese Khow Suey in your own home kitchen with absolute minimalistic ingredients.
For Burmese Khow Suey, you could use vegetables of your choice. What I am using today is carrots and broccoli. Time to heat a saucepan. Add some oil. Well, this could be vegetable oil or sesame oil. Once the oil heats up, the first thing that goes is crushed garlic, followed by chopped ginger and a few slits of green chilies. Give it a quick stir without burning and browning any of the ingredients. The next thing that goes in are some red chilies. Now add some vegetables.
What I feel when I make music is like energy.
Stir this for 30 to 40 seconds. While the vegetables are getting cooked, let's add in some powder spices.
Fuck it, I'll play my damn self.
On low flame, we need to add in freshly extracted coconut milk. Along with this, add some water. Time to season this. Add some salt and finally some soy sauce. Stir this well. Allow this to boil not more than a minute. Traditionally, the way of serving a Khow Suey is in a nice hot bowl of broth or a soup along with soft noodles and a few accompaniments. For the accompaniments, usually we have wedges of lemon, we have barista, which is deep fried onion, chopped coriander, fried flakes of garlic, spring onion and a boiled egg.
Fuck it, I'll play my damn self.
Up with a little bit of accompaniments and also serve them along. Your restaurant-style Burmese Khow Suey is ready to be served.